So how can you transfer the voice memos from the iPad to Mac, right? So let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are more ways, of course. The first one would be by using automatic syncing. So you can check out your settings of the iPad, click on your account at the top, like go to your profile and proceed to the iCloud section. And when you go to the apps, which can be synced, you should be able to find the voice memos. And if you have that enabled on this device and also on the other devices like your Mac, for example, as well, then the voice memos will be synced across your devices using iCloud. And it just means that if there is like a new voice memo, it will also automatically appear on the iPad or Mac or the other way around, whatever. But I believe still that the better method would be to have this turn off, right? That is my personal preference. And instead, check out the voice recordings app. Like this, I'll be able to just use the two-finger gesture to select as many as I want, click on share, and since we are talking about the Mac, we can utilize AirDrop and literally just share it right away, and the files will appear in the Finder, like your actual folder. Or you can also use so many of the other sharing methods, like you can share it or upload it to the Google Drive or different cloud storage, or share it over some different method. But yeah, I would say AirDrop is probably the best one. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.